Heavy-duty 2-pack means you can use one laundry basket to tote dirty clothes to the washer and use the other to put clean, folded clothes away from the dryer. Carry handles mean hands-free toting. Easy to use, these slim space-saving hampers pop up quickly and fold completely flat to be stored in the bedroom, bathroom, closet, kids' room, nursery, college dorm room, small apartment or RV while camping. Perfect for a teen at home or a student at school. Portable, multi-use folding baskets can be used as a blanket, towel, and linen holder or even as storage for baby clothes. They're also great as an everyday organizer for essentials inside the home and while traveling, including weekend trips in the camper or vacations. Sturdy, designed with a reinforced steel rim at the top of the bin and a rigid baseboard at the bottom for heavy-duty structure. The snap hinges inside of the bags allow them to pop up and collapse down with ease, making for easy organization. Measuring 22L×15W by 11.25H when open and collapses to just 1.25 inches. Total capacity of each laundry bin is 64 liters, 17 gallons, by volume, with a maximum load capacity of 55 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Best laundry baskets. These are great. They fold easily and we hang them behind the door. Our laundry room is very small and having these out of the way reduces the clutter. I looked all over for some decent looking and sturdy baskets but couldn't find any that were worth the price. These are lightweight, easy to tote with one or two hands, and are very easy to fold and unfold. I will definitely look at this company's other products. I'm assuming these will be durable because they seem to be very well made. If they don't wear well, I will let you all know.